What's up? What's up? You watching haitianjonas.com, and everybody who know Haitian Jonas, check out the website www.haitianjonas.com. And I live in Boston. Yes, I live in Boston, and you can visit the Haitian Jonas app. It's available on Apple and Android. Please feel free to go and check Haitian Jonas if you are curious about Haitian Jonas. Haitian Jonas is all about change. Based on what I said, why am I talking today? I'm talking based on my experience on things that I've seen, video posted, what's going on with Haitian and Dominican government. It's not the Dominicans. It's the government who the way they doing things. And when you ask a Dominican person, they said these people are crazy. These people are twisted in the government. When you see the way they're treating the Haitian, if you're Haitian, if you're a Haitian, you were born in Dominican Republic, you're not Dominican. This is what they said. You are not human. You're a different creature. So a lot of Haitians that are listening, that are watching, they say, why those Haitians go home? Even when they go home, they need papers. They won't accept them because you were born in another country. So for them to accept you after the earthquake, you have to deal with a lot of money. You have to deal with situation, like the fact that country needs money. And then this is the time that you're gonna claim, you're gonna say, hey, Haitian people, they even though they are born in Dominican Republic, they're not Dominican. So what are they? They were born in the Dominican Republic. They say it's only for the Haitian. If you're American, you were born in Dominican Republic, you will get a birth certificate. But the dark skin, when I say dark skin, they're like, oh, you talk about racism. Go check 1937, when Trujillo, he was the president of Dominican Republic. He said he used the excuse that Haitian was stealing cows. They were doing this, they were doing that. We had to kill them. The women, it takes them quick. Pregnant women were being killed. Kids, head was off. Everything was done. And in his statement during that time, he said, let's kill them all. It was 100 something, like 300, 400 Haitians who were in Dominican Republic at that time was killed. Why? Because of the color of their skin. This is 1937. Why do the Dominican the government, when I said Dominican, it doesn't mean that I'm talking about people in general. I'm talking about the government. Why are they refusing the Haitians? Is it because the moment we occupied them 25 years? And Henry Christophe say, let's stop that. Let them have their freedom. But some people say, when you talk to a Dominican person, they wish they could occupy Haiti for one day to make Haitian people feel the pain. What pain? So, if you don't know the history, you'll never know what's going on right now. This is Haitian Jonas. A lot of people are gonna cuss me out. A lot of people are gonna say something negative about me. Hey, I'm doing this for freedom. If I was born in Dominican Republic and you say I have no nationality, a dog in Dominican Republic has more rights than a Haitian person in Haiti and Dominican Republic. If you're Haitian, you're not fighting with me, you're a susu. But this is common sense. We want everybody to be part of that movement. Put your hand together and let's fix this situation. The Congress in Dominican Republic, we're gonna see. I look forward to see you guys. To all my friends, the Dominican friends, I would like to say a special thanks to you for supporting me for the work. The work is not easy, but still, I just want to say thank you for supporting the work that I'm doing. I really, really appreciate the work, the movement you guys are helping me with. So may God bless you. I look forward to see you guys and push up on the blog. Thank you. That video is haitianjonas.com, or you can check every Monday night on 98.9 FM, and also the radio show on the Haitian Jonas app, Android and Apple. I'll see you guys. Talk to you later. Peace.
This is the eastern province of San Pedro de Macorís in the Dominican Republic. Thousands of acres of land are covered with sugarcane plants. Most of the work, nurturing, cutting, and transporting sugarcane, is done by Haitian migrants called braceros. One of them is Lemo Auguste.
I can't go out on the street. I feel like I'm a fugitive in hiding. If I go out, the police can arrest me and take me to a place with bad conditions.
But he is not alone. Haitian migrants have long struggled with integrating into the Dominican society. Some have been living here for more than 30 years in these farming houses called batés. They live in statelessness without country or documentation. Their days are filled with insecurity, arrests, deportations, and a lack of access to basic services. 16-year-old Yuri Paul, the son of a migrant, prepares for his exams, even though he knows he can't continue his education. He is one of the many children of Haitian migrants born in the Dominican Republic, but not granted a birth certificate. This, despite the fact that Article 11 of the country's constitution states each person born in the Dominican Republic is Dominican.
I have no birth certificate. This is why I don't have the possibility to continue my studies. I would like to pass my exams to get my diploma and then become an engineer.
Yuri will likely not attend university, but this youth still has a shot. His parents are Haitian, but a Dominican family is sponsoring him. For fear he may still lose his Dominican status, he speaks to us under anonymity.
Ya tengo mi documento en mano, pudieron declararme.
I have all my legal documents because my parents have done a declaration for me. With those, I have no problem. I am sure I can go to the university or make a career after my studies.
According to Amnesty International, some 1 million Haitian migrants and relatives live in the Dominican Republic, 80% in difficult conditions in the batés. Aware of this, the non-governmental agency ASCALA, the UN Refugee Agency UNHCR, and the European Union are working to help. Elena Candio, a beneficiary of the ASCALA project, received her birth certificate.
There was a lot of movements for this process of documents. It helped me. I am very glad.
After a few months, migrants obtained 250 birth certificates and 250 passports. Gonzalo Vargas is the chief of UNHCR in the Dominican Republic.
UNHCR, through its programs, is trying to document some of these Haitian, then we get them Haitian passports, and then try to get residency permits, Dominican residency permits.
Many argue the obligation lies with authorities on both sides to seek a final solution to bring justice to these people.